Number 16. Fail miserably. It means to be very unsuccessful in doing something.
He tried to bake a cake and failed miserably. He tried to bake a cake and failed miserably. Their plan to surprise her failed miserably. Their plan to surprise her failed miserably. The team failed miserably in the final. The team failed miserably in the final.
Number 17. Fall ill. It means to become sick.
She fell ill during the vacation. She fell ill during the vacation. Many students fall ill in winter. Many students fall ill in winter. He fell ill and couldn't attend. He fell ill and couldn't attend.
Number 18. Fall in love. It means to start feeling love towards someone.
They met in college and fell in love. They met in college and fell in love. It's easy to fall in love in Paris. It's easy to fall in love in Paris. She didn't expect to fall in love so quickly. She didn't expect to fall in love so quickly.
Number 19. Fall into a category. It means to be classified or grouped into a specific type.
This music falls into a new category. This music falls into a new category. That question falls into a difficult category. That question falls into a difficult category. Does this fall into the same category? Does this fall into the same category?
Number 20. Fall into ruin. It means to become destroyed or severely damaged over time.
The old castle has fallen into ruin. The old castle has fallen into ruin. Many historic sites fall into ruin without care. Many historic sites fall into ruin without care. The vacant house quickly fell into ruin. The vacant house quickly fell into ruin.